When it comes to appliance repair, if you're looking for a refrigerator repair professional and you live in Bucks County, Montgomery County, maybe you have a dishwasher problem and you need to get a dishwasher fixed or a washing machine fixed, I'm standing with Rich from Mr. Appliance. Rich, tell me about your process when tackling whether it's an appliance repair or a dishwasher repair or a washing machine repair.
Nowadays you need professionals to come in. A lot of the appliances are digital. A lot has changed over the years from the dials and thermostats. A lot of it's digital setup. With that, you need a professional technician to come in there, diagnose the problem correctly, give you the proper quote.
Appliance repairs have evolved. I mean, the technology behind these appliances, these smart appliances, you really do need a pro that's going to come in and be able to analyze and diagnose the problem. Mr. Appliance takes great pride in making sure that people are aware of, repair or replace.
Correct. Yeah. So when we go into the customer's house, we give them a quote on what it's going to cost. And some manufacturers and home warranties go by 80%. If it's more than 80% of the cost of the unit, they may not fix it. But in most cases, we will give them a quote, the technician on the iPad itself, right in front of the customer, so they can discuss it with that. We go by the job, not by the time. We're in industry standards with the pricing on that, and if it goes into more time, it doesn't cost the customer money. It's upfront pricing that we do.
I've come to learn also your commitment after making a repair to the actual appliance that you're repairing.
As a Mr. Appliance, we're all independently owned and operated. Most of the Mr. Appliances do 1 year on the parts and labor. And if the customer has a problem within the 1 year, we'll go back. As long as it's the part or labor that we did, it will be no cost to the customer itself.
For all your appliance repair needs, Mr. Appliance, give Rich a call. If you're in Bucks County, Montgomery County, you need an appliance repair. Maybe you have a broken down washing machine, you have a dishwasher that's broken down. You want to call a professional that's going to come in, take the time to diagnose the problem properly, do the math behind the appliance versus repairing. So that's a real great rule of thumb, the 80% rule. That's a great rule of thumb if once again you're trying to consider whether you're going to get a new appliance or replace the appliance. Rich, I want to thank you for taking the time. I look forward to recommending your services once again to anyone looking for an appliance repair in Bucks or Montgomery County.
Thank you, sir.